Do you want to add recovery partition in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. A recovery partition is a crucial partition for Windows. Windows creates this partition automatically when you perform a clean installation on Windows OS or upgrade Windows OS. It contains the system image and other crucial operating system files that are required to restore the Windows OS to a working state when a problem occurs. This video shows how to add a recovery partition in Windows. Let's get started. How to view Windows recovery file on Windows. The WinRE file is the Windows recovery environment file that contains the system image and other crucial operating system files needed to perform required actions in the Windows recovery environment. This file is located in the root directory but is hidden. To view this file, you have to force Windows to show the hidden files and protected system files. To force Windows to display the protected operating system files, follow the steps provided below. Open File Explorer. In Windows 11, click on the three dots and select Options. Then select the View tab. Uncheck the Hide Protected Operating System Files checkbox. Click Apply and then click OK. Now go to the following location in the File Explorer: c:/windows/system32/recovery. You will see the winre.vim file there. It is the Windows Recovery Environment file. If you do not see this file, disable the Windows Recovery Environment by executing the following command in the elevated command prompt window. Type cmd in the Windows search and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Then run this command. As you run the above command, the winre.vim file will appear on the above mentioned location on your C drive. The following command will show you the status of the Windows recovery environment. How to add recovery partition in Windows. To create or add a recovery partition on Windows 11 or 10, you have to create a new partition on your C drive without assigning a drive letter, then assign it the ID of the recovery partition based on the partition style of your hard disk. To view your hard disk's partition table, open the Disk Management app, right-click on your hard disk and select Properties. Then go to the Volumes tab to view its partition style. Let's see this process. First, create a new recovery partition in Disk Management. Open Disk Management, right-click on your C drive and select Shrink Volume. Enter 1024 and click Shrink. This will create a new unallocated volume of 1 GB next to your C drive. Now right-click on the unallocated volume and select New Simple Volume. Click Next and select the Do Not Assign a Drive Letter or Drive Path option. Click Next and select the Format this volume option. Name this partition as Recovery Partition and click Next. Click Finish. After performing the above steps, a new partition with the name Recovery Partition has been created. However, this partition does not contain the system image needed for the Windows recovery environment. Now, open Command Prompt as an administrator and type this command. Hit Enter after that. The command will launch the diskpart tool in the command prompt. Enter the following commands and hit Enter after entering each command. In these commands above, replace hash with the correct disk number and partition number. The recovery partition has an ID 27. If the hard disk is MBR and it is displayed as type in the CMD, you have to assign this ID to the newly created recovery partition. Now, type this command and hit Enter. The command will show you the details of the newly created recovery partition. Change the partition ID of the new recovery partition by executing this command. After the successful execution of the above command, the winre.vim file will be copied to the new recovery partition. To confirm, you can view the details of the recovery partition. First, exit the disk path, then type this command. If your hard disk has a GPT partition style, you need to replace the ID 27 with the following ID. Hence, in this case, the command will be: those who have a GPT partition style have to execute one more command. Now the recovery partition has been created on your GPT hard disk. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.